In this video, you'll learn how to join the Perplexity AI Twitter community. Following their official account will keep you updated with the latest information and developments. Start by opening the Twitter app on your mobile device or navigate to the Twitter website using your computer's web browser. Ensure you are logged into your Twitter account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to follow any users. Once you're on the Twitter homepage, locate the search bar, which is typically at the top of the screen. Click or tap on the search bar to activate it, allowing you to enter text. In the search bar, type out Perplexity_AI and press enter or tap the search icon. This will initiate a search for the official Perplexity AI account. After the search results load, look for the profile that matches the username you just entered. You should see a profile picture and the name associated with the account. Click or tap on the Perplexity profile to view their account page. On the Perplexity profile page, you will see a button labeled Follow. Tap this button to start following the account. Once you follow them, the button will change to indicate that you are now following Perplexity AI. After following the account, you will receive updates from Perplexity AI in your timeline. This includes tweets, retweets, and any media they share. Make sure to check your notifications for any interactions from the account. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.